Goes to that straight. Well, that's the spot. It's about a 60-metre gap there between deep mid-off and deep mid-on. And there it was. Mid-off's up, so it's gone over the top. And it'll race away to the fence, and it's a much-needed boundary for the Sixers. That's their 7th.
Chipped away and beautifully timed. So Daniel Hughes, all of a sudden, he's starting to see him well.
Hughes. Change of pace in the deep. It flies and in the gap. Oh, what about the placement?
Well, it helps when you both look at each
Whoa.
other.
Oh, he's got a better piece of that. Has he got enough of it, though? Yes, he has. Into the dugout. Beautifully caught. Lloyd Pope. Too easy.
Good shot though, yeah, it was well caught by Lloyd Pope. That's hitting to the shorter boundary with a bit of a breeze. Daniel Hughes brings up his 50 off just 37 balls, so all of a sudden he's striking at 143.
Goes again. That sounded better, and that's bigger. And another catch. Unfortunately for AJ Ty, he's on a hat-trick.
Sweet timing, no doubt about it.